Selamat sejahtera saya ucapkan kepada pensyarah kami. Hari ini kami ingin membentangkan tentang study area kami. Study area kami ni merangkumi di Jalan Kostal. Jalan Kostal Kota Kinabalu berdekatan dengan area Imago dan Harbour City. Untuk pembentangan ini, ahli kumpulan saya terdiri daripada Jasni, Muhammad Izzan, Hii Xing Yii dan Francine. Tanpa membuang masa, kita teruskan dengan pembentangan ini.
1.0 Introduction. In engineering road design, we actually need road junction. A road junction is a place where two or more roads of solid line meet. It also a location where vehicular traffic going in different directions can proceed in a controlled manner. In some cases, vehicles can change between different routes or directions of travel. This is a difference between intersection and interchange. 1.1 Background of the junction area. The map and picture of the study area. The road is the main road to the center of KK Harbour City and Times Square. It is located at 51 Jalan Pantai 88000 Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. The road is given a special name which is Coastal Road. Every road in Sabah, especially in Kota Kinabalu or anywhere, have many junctions, interchange or intersection is a meeting place of one or more roads. 1.2 Objective of case study. 1. To obtain traffic data at the intersection of Coastal Road, Jalan Coastal, KK Harbour City and Times Square. 2. To identify the problem of road accident. 3. To proceed design of major intersection appropriate to traffic need. 4. To solve the junction problem. 5. To reduce the traffic conflict from Jalan Coastal. 6. To identify suitable traffic management techniques. 7. To analyze the case using relevant theoretical concepts.
Seterusnya, masalah yang dihadapi di persimpangan Jalan Kostal ini ialah kereta yang dipandu oleh mangsa keluar dari persimpangan secara mengejut. Jadi, kereta lain tidak dapat mengelak. Yang kedua, kereta yang dipandu merempuh motosikal ketika hendak masuk simpang. Ketiga, pelanggaran dua kenderaan sebelum keluar dari persimpangan. Keempat, mangsa kemalangan melanggar bahagian kereta pemandu lain semasa keluar dari simpang kerana memandu secara berdekatan. Seterusnya, faktor yang menyebabkan aksiden berlaku di study area saya bahagikan pada dua kategori. Yang pertama adalah road problem dan kedua adalah driver's attitude. Road problem antara sebab-sebab dia ketidakpatuhan speed limit, location and size junction yang tidak sesuai serta jalan yang berlubang atau beralun. Seterusnya, driver's attitude. Driver memasuki lorong yang bertentangan, mengikuti kereta yang secara dekat dan kelalaian driver memasuki simpang. Okey, di sini kita dapat tengok di mana aksiden pernah berlaku di Jalan Kastel yang merupakan kawasan kajian kami, di mana penunggang motosikal maut terlanggar kereta, tua maut Mercedes bertembur Hilux di Jalan Coastal. Jadi ini adalah news yang kami dapat di kawasan kajian.
Control traffic management technical to show the best problem. Physical management capacity. In roads, this usually means adding lanes to existing roads. The first problem with this solution is that it is expensive. Buildings are built close to the proposed expansion right of way, so taking them in addition to being costly bring in an addition social political dynamite. People don't like to be moved. Institution and regulatory management controls. Coordinating traffic lights on a city street grid can measure more vengeance hit green lines. The use of controls on freeway include devices like rate meter, the traffic lights and freeway on red to manage the input flow to keep the freeway flowing freely.
4.0 Detail of conflict. So 4.1 is sketch the conflict point and type of conflict movement. So I have drawn this as you can see. So there are three type of conflict movement. So firstly is crossing for 16 point, merging for 8 point and diverging for 8 points. So let's get to the next topic. Next point. So 4.2 is 5 flow method to reducing the traffic conflict for that junction. So firstly, always watch for cross traffic when approaching an intersection. Even you have the right of way, don't assume every driver will stop at the red light. When turning right on red, make sure the car ahead of you clear. Rear-end collision are the one of the most common intersection-related accident. Next, side swipe are the other most common accident. It's important to never change lane while driving to intersection because another vehicle may be turning from across trees into your lane. A faulty or dead traffic light system create an uncontrolled intersection. One of the most dangerous traffic situations. Always treat an intersection with a faulty traffic light system as a forward stop, but be extremely cautious because some drivers may not know what to do. Vehicles are not the only ones traveling through intersection. Watch for pedestrians using sidewalk or cyclists using bicycle lane before accelerating or turning at the intersection.
Okay, cycle length. A signal cycle is one complete pulsation stroke, all of the indication provided. Manakala cycle length ni the time in second that it takes a signal to complete one full cycle of indications. Di diagram kita tengok ni adalah diagram tentang cycle length yang akan yang digunakan dalam junction.
Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion. The present report attempts to promote knowledge of road safety. It is hoped that this will stimulate and promote greater cooperation, innovation, and commitment to the prevention of road traffic accidents in our country. Road traffic accidents are predictable and therefore preventable. Recommendation. Assign is related to road traffic injuries, the policy and institutional environment, and our country's ability to prevent road traffic injuries. An important factor in addressing road safety injury is the identifications of the magnitude and characteristics of the problem, as well as domestic policy institutions, arrangements, and capacity to deal with road traffic injury.